What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and to another video. I'm in the kitchen about to make some coffee, and if you guys are wondering or curious, I brew Stumptown coffee. That's like my fave, my go-to coffee every morning. Totally recommend it. I'm gonna brew some coffee up and then I'll catch you in the garage and I'm gonna show you all what I've done to the G82. Let's get to it. All right, what is up, everybody? We're here in the garage. I have a G82 behind me and I'm excited to share with you the first modification, I guess, that I've done to this car. Huge shout out to my guys out there in AeroWorks. They really helped me out with getting this car PPF'd. What is PPF, right? Let's start there first. PPF is paint protection film. It's something that all of you should do to your builds or just your car in general. It's something that is super important. If you recall back in like the 80s or 90s, they had these things called like the leather bras that go in front of the car. Similar to that, but this is just like a clear bra, if you will. Basically, that's what I got in my car. I got a clear bra. I got the full front PPF'd, and that includes the bumper, the hood, mirror caps, the headlights. Basically, the entire full front of the car is covered in PPF. If you want more explanation to what PPF is, if you have a screen cover on your phone, think of it the same way, but now for your car. It will protect against paint chips, fading, the sun beating on it. I drive a lot, and California freeways are not the greatest. I'm telling you right now. There's a lot of gravel. There's a lot of trucks here that just pick up dirt, and if you're behind one of them, they just kick it really hard, and it'll cause big like chips on your bumper. And now you got to repaint the whole bumper, which costs you several hundreds of dollars. Yes, PPF is an investment. It's one of those things that if you're spending money on parts and making your car look really cool, especially if you have carbon fiber, you need to get PPF. So the next thing that I'm gonna get PPF'd are the roof. I did get mirror caps from Keys Motorsports, and also a carbon fiber front lip. Those two things I'm gonna have to put PPF on it, because especially that it's carbon fiber, I do not want any rock chips to be hitting it. So guys, PPF is something that's really beneficial to your car. It's just gonna up the value of the car. Once you rip it off, the car is practically brand new. So I totally recommend it. So big shout out to the guys out there at AeroWorks. You can find their details here or in the description of this video, but they took care of my car. And guys, they have a lineup of some pretty amazing cars. But I'm just really excited because now I can confidently drive this car without a problem. I was driving out on the road a day after I got the PPF installed, and this big piece of, I don't even know what it was. It looked like a big sheet of plastic or hard plastic flew out of a car, and it hit my car. In fact, it grazed all this. It hit the front bumper, the front fender, and it hit the side mirror. And my gosh, I was scared. It actually pushed my side mirror in. And I was like, great, I just got the car in PPF. I don't know what to expect. Honestly, this is my first time having a car with PPF, and I was just really scared because I'm like, crap, I spent all this money and now I'm gonna have to redo it, or who knows if it's damaged or maybe it ripped off. I don't know. I get home and yep, I see the scratches, I see the grazed of it, and all I did was just use some Chemical Guys waterless shampoo, and I just sprayed it, wiped it off, and it came off like nothing. I mean, literally, it came off. It looked like if nothing ever happened. And then, you know, I'm driving around my area and there's a lot of bugs. I mean, it's spring season, so there's a lot of small little flies and mosquitoes and stuff. So I'm driving down this road, and the whole front end of my car, it's like bugged out. It's full with just bugs. But hey, I have PPF, so I could just hose it down, shampoo it, and it should be set to go. So guys, I totally recommend it. It's something I totally am advising and counseling people to get, because it's something that, especially the front of your car, if you're trying to sell it, if you're trying to look really good out there in the shows, or just have your build just last longer, a PPF can really make a difference in the overall look and aesthetics of your car. In fact, there's like this gleam sheen that comes out of the front, which I'm really excited for, because as I take it to shows and as I wash it down, there's always going to be like this sheen factor to the car because of this film. So there's other things you could get at AeroWorks. There's like a matte version of this PPF film. So that's what it is. That's PPF, guys. I just want to come over here and give you some information on what PPF is and if you should even do it for your car. I totally recommend it. If you guys have any questions at all about PPF or anything regarding my channel, drop a comment below and I will answer it for you. Lastly, I have a bunch of parts coming from Keys Motorsports. In fact, they're here, they're right there. I'm looking at them. I have like maybe 6 packages to open up. And guys, I'm just excited because there's a lot of content coming to this channel. Just stay tuned, subscribe. If you are a N20 driver, I have a ton of content because I had a 320i N20 motor, which are applicable to for a 328i. I also had a 440i, a B58 motor. And I built it really well, up to the point where I was about to track it. But then an opportunity came up and I got this G82. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you very soon. Thanks, fam.